Good morning. We are finishing up our garden work this morning. Got everything ready for the day, and we're heading out and fixing to go work at a job site. We've got some yard maintenance to do. We're going to be building those raised bed structures and getting them all set up and ready for planting. And we hope that this is going to be just a beautiful, wonderful day and taking you along with us.
Okay, we are putting together these raised garden bed metal things. There's 3 of them here. We done put together some of these. They're shorter, they're about 12 inches tall. These are like 24 inches tall, 3 foot by 5 foot. And I'm putting one together over here. I'll show you how it's being put together in just a minute.
We have some of the raised beds on this area here where we had done showed you the structure that we have built, and boy, look at the plants in there. We'll give you a little peek in there in a minute. But this here is the raised beds that our customer, she had purchased some of these, had them laying around for a while, decided we were going to just have some that is out here and make an area to sit. We were going to take you on building a bench and table that we're going to put out here, and all these beautiful beds. They have plenty of room, so anyone with a wheelchair, walker, what have you, or just hauling your little trailer through here to fill these beds up, you got all kinds of room here to be able to get in between each one. We have some higher ones and some lower ones so that you can do your taller plants like some okra, what have you. You can have them in these beds. And we have over here, these are where you can grow. It says year round. You can grow salads, spinach, things of that sort. And you have it's almost like a little greenhouse effect that can be opened up here, and it has water down in the bottom of it that you can put in there. But our customer, she's going to be having also a deck and wheelchair ramp. So if you want to see all these things being built, we have 33 years of experience in building and creating people's dreams and designing. If you want to see that, be a part of that, make sure and like and subscribe and join us at GIAGATT Unlimited. We'd just love to have you just be on this adventure with us. But we're going to be putting a nice area to sit there and take you a break. We're going to have a deck with a wheelchair ramp coming off of it. So, you know, you may want to learn how to build some of these things. We'll be sharing that with you. We've already got the wood over here that we'll show you a little bit later, where we've unloaded all of that. So do you want to check out and take a peek at these beautiful plants and what's going on in this structure that we already showed you we built in our last video? So you can see these plants, boy, they are taking off. our customer has filled this up, and she's so excited to be able to get in here and work from both directions, inside and out. So this is just great. We'll be running a water line out here and getting some water put out here and for all the beds. But this is where we're at. This is how far we've gotten on this project. So, you know, just make sure and come along with us. Join us in this adventure. And we just, if you have questions, leave, you know, comments. If you know a better way of doing something, let us know. We appreciate any input that you have. Okay, let me show you what we got over here too. We have these sweet potatoes that we have put in, and they're in the little round containers, raised containers. So they are so beautiful here, and they've been planted so they can get going. It's looking beautiful. So you know, you can plant all kinds of things in these raised beds, and it just makes it a little easier for the person who may, you know, struggle trying to get down low enough and what have you to work them. And you can control the acidic level individually, so you can make your pH what your plants need. Hey, this wood here, we unloaded all of it. This is going to build the deck and the wheelchair ramp, and so we've already got all this unloaded and ready to go. So we can jump right on that here next. And we've got all the stuff to run our water lines, and so we've been gathering all this together so that we can take you right into this with us as we get all this built. And right over here, we have a greenhouse that we actually redid. It was all rotten at the bottom, and we added a new shelf in it, and we'll add some pictures on that we took of that process.
Today we are trying to redo an older greenhouse that the sides were rotten on it. And this is the greenhouse. We've taken all the sides off of it. It had vinyl siding with plywood, and we're going to replace the vinyl siding and plywood with metal. And we took all the vinyl siding and plywood off and put it in the burn pile. But anyway, this is what we're doing. And I've got 30-inch metal panels that's got to go from here to here. So I'm going to dig out some of this right here on all of them. And this one I may not have too much right there, but on all of them, more than likely I got to dig out some, because I think from this to the bottom of that 6 by 6 or 4 by 6 is 30 inches. So I'm gonna get all that dug out, and right here too I'm gotta move this wire. Just comes right in the top. I'm going to cut me out a channel right there and try to put that wire in so I can put the metal up against it. And then I can put the J channel on the top and up against the door. I'll be putting the J channel up under here. Now this side, I don't think I'm going to dig out any. Maybe a little rough there, but anyway, that's what I'm doing. And of course, everywhere that I try to dig out, I'm running into these nice roots to try to get down to the bottom. I got that out, and I got some of those roots right here too. See those nice big roots. Anyway, I'm gonna cut them out and then go on around. And I think that's got it. Nothing should be in the way. And I've got to fix this door trim. There's the trim. And this one has 1/2-inch plywood behind it to bring it out where it meets the top. So this plywood was rotten down at the bottom. See, the pressure tread board's still decent, but I've got to put 1.5-inch plywood down it so I can put the trim back on before we put J-channel, metal J-channel, and the siding on. But that's what I got to do. Okay, got all the panels on. I still gotta put my corners on right here, one on each corner. I haven't put on yet, but got the panels on. They were pretty rough. Wouldn't have been so bad, but I had to dig out a lot more around the bottom, and it was very, very rooty. I was cutting out all kind of roots like that was running parallel with the walls, right in the way. But anyway, got the sides on it, got to get the corners on it, and then we'll have to get a door to match it.
All right, at the end of the day, we finally got all of our work done. Now I'm doing my favorite thing with my husband, my favorite man, my only man.
Her favorite man. Woo, you hear that? Anyway.
We're going walking. We walk and see our beautiful garden, and then we're getting all of our steps in, which he beats me every day for some way, somehow. I think
it likes me better.
Yeah, I think his little pacer thing counts double steps sometimes, but
no, they don't.
No, but anyway, we finishing this day out, and look forward to tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.